Hello, my name is Steve Royce, and I'm here to show you how to calibrate your hydraulic burst leak tester. We're going to need a digital gauge. In this case, we're using the Crystal Engineering XP2i gauge. It's the one we use in the factory and one that we recommend. And your HBLT, and currently it's in the main menu screen. So first we should turn on your gauge. And make sure that it's zeroed. We then go to the HBLT, and from the main menu select Engineering. In this screen we select Perform Calibration, and the next screen we select again Perform Calibration. We then choose the pressure unit, in this case pounds per square inch. This screen directs you to make sure that the outlet is open. This will become 0, or atmospheric pressure, and then press OK. We then attach the digital gauge to the outlet. With the arrow on the left-hand side of the screen, pushing the up arrow causes the HBLT to begin to generate pressure. Continue pushing the up arrow to increase the pressure. Until it reaches the maximum pressure of the model of the HBLT. In this case, 1000 psi. The number on the right-hand side of the screen is the pressure that the HBLT believes that it is at, and in this case it's 1002 psi. You'll notice the external gauge believes that it is 995 psi. We will now use the arrows on the right-hand side of the screen to make adjustments. Large arrows for large adjustments, small arrow for small adjustment. We need to make the number on the right-hand side of the screen agree with the gauge, the external gauge. So in this case we want to lower the pressure on the HBLT down to the external gauge, and I'm going to start by using a large change down. Notice the HBLT now believes that it is at 1001 psi and the external gauge is 999.9. We need to wait 10 or 15 seconds for everything to equilibrate. So we're still too high. I'm going to use the small arrow now to change the pressure again. I'm going to wait 10 or 15 seconds. Now the HBLT believes it is 1000 psi and the external gauge is a little over 998. I'm going to use the small arrow again, down. And let everything equilibrate. Notice that HBLT is at 1002. Externally we're at 1001. Let's go once more on the small. HBLT is now at 1999, 999. Externally we're at 999.1. I'm going to say OK and accept that pressure. The HBLT is now going to run back down to 0. Remove the gauge, hit escape twice, back to the main menu, and your HBLT is now ready for use.